Okay, guys, in this video, we are going to discuss finding the domain and the range from a graph. Okay, so I went ahead and copied this graph so that I can go ahead and write on it. First, let's talk about the domain from a graph. So domain is the horizontal extent of the graph. Like where is it gonna start and where is it gonna end? Okay, so imagine that you're moving from left to right, and the first point you encounter is gonna be this right here. So what is the extent? Well, we're gonna start over here from 2, right? And then we keep going. So as you move in, imagine you're walking along that graph. At the same time, your x changes all the way up to 6 when you reach that point with coordinates 6, 3. But over here, it's not going to be solid. It's going to be empty, right? Whereas over here, it's solid. So let's see if we can write that down. So for x, so the main is the x. It's a horizontal extent. Now, because the starting point is a solid, we're going to include it by using the brackets, and then the ending point is an empty dot, so that means we're going to be excluding that from the domain and we will be using parentheses. Okay, so that's the horizontal extent. Now let's look at the range. Range is the vertical extent of the graph. Okay, so imagine you're going from down to up. You're gonna go start over here, right? And then so you start somewhere over here and then you're gonna keep going up. So imagine again, as I'm walking along, what happens to my y coordinate? Well, it's gonna go all the way up to here, but at 3 it's gonna stop. It doesn't go anywhere and it ends with an empty dot and it starts with the solid dot. Okay, so let's see if we can write that. So again, this is vertical, how the y coordinate changes. So it starts at -1 where it is included and goes all the way to 3, which is not included. So that's going to be the range. Okay, so let's see if we can type that here. So the domain, as we said, is 2, 2, 6, and then we use open parentheses, and then the range is -1 to 3. Again, we're using open parentheses. So let's check that.